Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here is the step-by-step guide that how you can get a bank confirmation letter or account confirmation letter on FNB app. So sometimes FNB app doesn't work properly. So if you want to get your bank confirmation letter without any type of hassle, you can go to their official web portal where you can log into your account. Step 1 to getting your FNB bank confirmation letter is visiting the FNB online banking platform and log into your online banking account. So you can go to the FNB official website where you will be able to log into by simply click on login button here, and after simply click on here you can find the username. You have to add the username and your password, the exact password, and simply click on login, and you will be able to access your account from their official web portal. Now when you are logged in, then you can go to the my bank accounts, where next you have to click on the my bank account here, like here accounts, then option, and you will be taken to the list of your bank accounts. Then you will see you will select the more button beside the account that you wish to acquire and confirmation later. So like here you have to simply click on it and then choose that account here, this account confirmation later from here. Now the account confirmation later, like click on the option account confirmation later. So you can find this account confirmation later from here. You have to simply click on it, then download our email. So lastly, select the method you would like to receive the letter, like email or download, as well as which account should be charged for the letter. So from here, like you can find your name, your ID number, account number, and here is the delivery. You can choose the email or download from here. Then if you are choosing email, then you have to add the email address from here, and charge account, you have to select the charge account from here, and please note that prefer to pricing guide for charges. Then simply click on continue, and you will get, and that's it. Now you will say all set to download and print or frame your FNB confirmation letter. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.